Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model from scratch in SolidWorks. So if anyone of you is preparing for CSWA exam, this video is perfect for you. Let's now move forward with section B problem 2. So as you can see here, we have three parts in the same problem, wherein the first part says that we have to define a set of global variables A, B, and C, create a model, and evaluate the mass. In part B, we'll need to update the global variables, which will automatically change the part and reevaluate the mass. In part C, we have to do the similar thing. So let's start with the problem. I'm going to solve the part A of this problem. You will just need to update the global variables and let me know what's your answer for part B and part C of this problem. Let me know that your answer is matching with these values or not. So let's now start with the problem. So let's first see the things they have told us to define. Unit system should be in mmgs, so we have here in mmgs by default. Next is decimal places should be up to 2, so I'll go to tools, options, document properties, units, and from here also you can change your unit system. Also the decimal places are up to 2 by default. I'll click on OK. Next thing is applying the material. So I'll go to material, edit material, and the material type is steel, and under steel category we need to apply AISI 1020. So here we have two types of AISI 1020 steel. One is the normal one and the other one is cold rolled. So now how will you identify which one is the correct material? So just cross check the density given in the PDF and the one mentioned in this chart. So they have told us that the density should be 7900 kg per meter cube, and here our density is matching 7900 kg per meter cube. So I'll apply and close. So the material that you just defined will show up here. Now I want to define global variables. So I'll go to tools, equations, and here A should be 101, B should be 11, C should be 1. Okay. So the equations that you defined will show up here. So it does not matter what variable names you're giving to these values. Unless and until these values are correct, your problem won't get solved. So you can name these as PQR, XYZ, anything, but make sure that your values are correct. So now let's start with the sketch. Let's go to top plane and select sketch. So I'll choose a center point rectangle and I'll simply draw a rectangle. Okay, so now I'll select center point arc and I'll draw an arc from here to here. Now I'll go to smart dimensions and provide dimensions from this point to this point. So this should be A, and this distance should be 18. Go to trim entities and trim this. Now the radius of this arc should be 9. The overall diameter of this arc is 18. That means radius should be 9. Now select fillet option and provide a fillet of 4 mm to this end point. Again choose this fillet option and provide a fillet of 5 mm to this end point and select OK. Now you have the center. So choose this. Choose the center point arc and draw an arc from here to here. Again, choose a center point arc, click anywhere, and draw an arc from here to here. Give radius as 5. Add a relation between these two arcs. Give tangential equation, so relation, choose line, draw a line, and again choose a center point arc, and I'll draw an arc from here to this edge. Now I'll choose trim entities and trim this line and provide a radius. Also define angle between these two lines as 12 degrees. Okay, give relationship between these two entities, also between these two entities. Now choose fillet option and provide a fillet of 2.5 mm to this endpoint and click OK. Also provide distance from this center to this center as 22.5. Make sure that these two centers should be horizontal. Okay, and also these two centers should be horizontal. Now that my sketch is fully defined, I'll go to features, boss extrude, and extrude this keeping the midplane condition and extrude it up to B. Okay. Now I need to create few cuts on this face. So I'll select this face and sketch and I'll go to offset entities, and so as you can see here that the overall offset distance should be same, but in offset entities I cannot provide a global dimension. So here I need to manually type 1 and reverse this and OK. Now I'll go to features, extruded cut, and the extruded cut should be of depth C. So I'll choose blind and cut it keeping the depth as 1 mm. Now I want to mirror this cut extrude feature on the opposite side as well. So I'll choose top plane, go to mirror, and features to mirror, I'll choose cut extrude, and here I got this feature mirrored. Now I want to create a hole, so I'll select this face and go to sketch, select a circle and choose this as the center and give a diameter as 9.5. I'll go to features, extruded cut, and choose through all condition, and it's done. So my sketch is completed. Now I'll go to evaluate mass properties. So this is 102.79. So here we have 102.95 grams. So now it's your turn. Solve part B and part C of this problem, update the global variables and reevaluate the mass, and let me know what's your answer in the comment section. Also, for more such videos, keep following. Thank you so much.